Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Mudras. I hope you will be fine. You are watching my YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and share. In previous lecture, we have learned the preposition and types of preposition. In this lecture, we shall learn the conjunction and read the only kinds of preposition. We will explain the kinds of preposition in next lecture. Let's start our lecture. Conjunction. Conjunction. Conjunction basically means relation or cooperation of two things. Relation or cooperation of two things. वो उसको कहते हैं conjunction. Conjunction is a word that connects the word or group of words. Conjunction is a word that connects the words or group of words. For example, and, are, what, although. As a sentence, Maria and Amjad will go to the zoo. मारिया और अमजद चिड़ियाघर देखने जाएंगे. इसका Maria and Amjad will go to the zoo. And in this sentence, and show the relation between and connects the Maria and Amjad in this sentence. Next sentence. Aslim or Akram. Is criminal. Aslim or Akram is criminal. In this sentence, or show the relation between or connects the Aslim and Akram. Now we learn the types of or kinds of conjunction. Kinds of conjunctions falls into three kinds. One kind is coordinate conjunction. Second है subordinate. Third, correlative. Conjunction falls into three kinds: coordinate, subordinate, and correlative. In this lecture, we have learned that conjunction and define of conjunction and kinds of conjunction. We will explain the kinds of conjunction in next lecture. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel Learn with Madras. I again request to please subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thank you. Best of luck.